Here. So I was trying to play Roblox, but I'm getting this error, unable to verify that you have access to this experience. Please try again later. What's really going on with Roblox? This is an unusual error. Many people are getting the error code pi24, while many people are getting the service is unavailable. So no matter whatever the error is, right now there is a global outage situation going on, which is a pretty serious one. Now, do let me know what kind of error are you getting? What is your error code? Please do help out the community. Now, let me show you the latest update. While many people are getting this experiences fail to load, this is kind of a weird one. I mean, Roblox servers are like potato. Are you getting error code 400? Are you getting error code 524? Any other error code? Do let me know in the comments down below. Oh my goodness. That is serious. The entire Roblox server is down. What's really going on? What kind of a issue? And it's really important to check. 3 million users can't play Roblox right now. When they'll be going to fix the servers, Roblox servers? Or is it not just the server issue, a big other issue, other kind of issue? Let me show you all the latest updates. Error 400. There was a problem with your request, bad request. So what's really going on with Roblox? Let me show you all the latest details, why the Roblox is not working. Alright guys, check this out. This is a global event going on. 3 million users can't play Roblox right now. So this is honestly the biggest one in at least a month or so. Alright guys, so let's check it out. The latest update by the Roblox Twitter official page. So do we got any update? Alright guys, so the primary thing about Roblox outage, many people came here to check what's really going on. Now let me show you. Here you can see guys, Roblox is done. And not just by small numbers, we are talking about something in the range of 16,700 outage reports. Check this out, the sheer number of it, 17,837 outage reports. Oh my goodness. That is serious. I mean, the entire Roblox server is down. Imagine this. What's really going on? What kind of a issue? It's kind of a serious one, to be honest with you. So let me show you all the latest details. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Twitter, let's check it out. Is this a global outage or what's really going on? As far as I can see, many people are getting error, unable to verify that you have access to this experience. Please try again later. And let me show you the latest update onto the Twitter. What's really going on? Is Roblox down? Bro, Roblox went down today. Roblox down for everyone. Roblox is having problem. Roblox is down. Teleportation failed. Don't worry, you're not blocked, hacked. Roblox servers are down. And definitely guys, we can see the things. Servers are down. That's the primary issue. Now let me show you when the servers will be back up and running. That's a very important issue moving forward. So let's check out the Roblox Twitter official page for any latest information. Alright, so here you see guys. First of all, let me show you. Many people are getting the services unavailable. Some people are getting unknown error, while many people are saying we are making things more awesome. We'll be back soon. Roblox. Let's talk about the latest update from the Roblox Twitter official page. And here you can see guys, as far as the details goes, they have got the update onto the August 15th, and then we got August 16th update of this UGC program. But let me show you the latest update as of 3 hours ago. Our developer community imagination has limitless space itself. This is their recent tweet. Nothing related to an outage situation. Now let's check it out. Is there any replies for any particular user regarding the outage? And as far as I can see, no update. But definitely guys, check this out. 18,400 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video, which is a pretty serious thing for the Roblox. Do let me know what kind of error are you getting, and once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.